Hello and welcome to our channel. Today's topic is a popular one: what would happen if we used the full capacity of our brains? It's a question that has fascinated people for decades, with many claiming that we only use a small percentage of our brain power. But is there any truth to this claim? And what would happen if we were able to unlock the full potential of our brains? Let's explore this topic and find out. First, it's important to dispel the myth that we only use a small percentage of our brains. This is simply not true. In reality, we use most of our brains most of the time. Every part of our brain serves a purpose, and even seemingly simple tasks like walking or breathing require multiple areas of the brain to work together. That being said, it is possible to improve brain function and cognitive abilities. This can be achieved through activities like exercise, meditation, and learning new skills. However, there is no evidence to suggest that we can unlock the full potential of our brains and use 100% of our brain power. So what would happen if we were somehow able to use the full capacity of our brains? It's impossible to say for certain, as we simply don't know what our brains are capable of. However, there are a few theories. One theory is that we would gain superhuman abilities, like the ability to read minds or move objects with our thoughts. This is a common trope in science fiction, but there is no scientific evidence to suggest that this is possible. Another theory is that we would experience a heightened state of consciousness, with an increased awareness of the world around us. Some people believe that this is achievable through meditation or other spiritual practices, but again, there is no scientific evidence to support this claim. It's important to note that the brain requires a lot of energy to function, and using 100% of our brain power would likely be incredibly taxing on the body. It's possible that we would experience negative side effects like headaches or seizures. The idea that we only use a small percentage of our brains is a myth. While it's possible to improve brain function through certain activities, there is no evidence to suggest that we can unlock the full potential of our brains and use 100% of our brain power. While it's fun to speculate about what would happen if we could, the reality is that we simply don't know. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.